Copy trading offers a unique entry point for beginners eager to participate in financial markets without extensive prior knowledge. By automatically replicating the trades of experienced investors, newcomers can benefit from professional strategies while learning the ropes. This approach has gained popularity because it simplifies the trading process, making it accessible to those who might otherwise feel overwhelmed by complex market analysis. For many, copy trading serves as both a learning tool and a potential pathway to earning returns. As the financial landscape evolves, more platforms are making it easier than ever for individuals to start their investment journey with confidence. The appeal lies in its simplicity and the opportunity to learn directly from seasoned traders, all while actively participating in the market. Copy trading is a method that allows individuals to automatically mirror the trades of seasoned investors in real time. When an experienced trader opens, modifies, or closes a position, the same actions are instantly replicated in your own trading account. This process eliminates the need for extensive market knowledge or constant monitoring, making it accessible for beginners. By selecting traders with proven track records, you can benefit from their expertise and strategies. The entire system is managed through specialized platforms, which handle the synchronization and execution of trades. This approach not only saves time, but also helps newcomers participate in financial markets with greater confidence. In 2025, copy trading continues to make significant strides in the financial world. One notable development is PU Prime being recognized as the best copy trading platform in India at Money Expo India, underscoring its influence and innovation within the industry. The sector itself is experiencing remarkable growth, with revenues projected to soar from USD 283.8 million in 2021 to an impressive USD 11.8 billion by 2028. This rapid expansion is driven by increasing interest from both beginners and seasoned investors, attracted by the convenience and accessibility of copy trading platforms. As the industry evolves, platforms are enhancing their features and security measures to meet the needs of a diverse user base. These advancements are shaping the future of trading, making it easier than ever for individuals to participate in global markets. For beginners interested in copy trading, selecting the right platform is a crucial first step. Look for a platform that offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate even if you have little prior experience. Transparent performance metrics are essential, allowing you to assess the track records and risk profiles of traders you might want to follow. Reputable platforms such as eToro and AvaTrade are popular choices due to their reliability and wide range of available traders. Additionally, ensure the platform is regulated and provides clear information about fees and costs. Taking the time to compare features and read user reviews can help you make an informed decision. By starting with a trustworthy platform, you set a strong foundation for your copy trading journey. When engaging in copy trading, it's important to be aware of the various costs that can impact your returns. Spread fees are typically charged on each trade, representing the difference between the buying and selling price of an asset. Many platforms also apply performance fees, which usually range from 10 to 30% of the profits earned by copying a trader. Additionally, if you choose to follow premium traders or subscribe to specialized signal providers, you may encounter monthly subscription charges. These fees can add up over time, so it's essential to review the fee structure of your chosen platform before investing. Understanding these costs helps you make informed decisions and manage your investment expectations effectively. Starting with a demo account is a crucial step for anyone new to copy trading. A demo account allows you to explore the platform's features and test different trading strategies without putting any real money at risk. This risk-free environment helps you understand how copy trading works, including how to select traders to follow and how to monitor your portfolio's performance. By practicing with virtual funds, you can gain confidence and develop your own approach before transitioning to live trading. Many reputable platforms offer demo accounts, making it easy for beginners to learn and adapt. Taking the time to practice first can help you avoid costly mistakes and set a solid foundation for future success in copy trading. When choosing traders to copy, it's important to carefully assess their risk levels. Look for traders who match your own risk tolerance, whether you prefer conservative strategies or are comfortable with higher risks. Examining a trader's performance history can provide valuable insights into their consistency and ability to navigate different market conditions. Pay attention to long-term results rather than short-term gains. Diversifying your portfolio by copying multiple traders with different strategies can help spread risk and reduce the impact of any single trader's losses. This balanced approach increases your chances of achieving steady returns while minimizing potential setbacks. Regularly monitoring your copy trading portfolio is essential to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Start by reviewing the performance of the traders you are copying, paying close attention to their recent results and any changes in their strategies. If a trader's risk level increases or their returns become inconsistent, consider adjusting the amount you allocate to them or switching to another trader. It's also wise to diversify your portfolio by following multiple traders with different approaches, which can help spread risk. Periodically reassess your overall investment strategy and make changes as your financial situation or objectives evolve. By staying proactive and informed, you can better manage potential risks and work towards achieving your desired outcomes in copy trading. When engaging in copy trading, it's important to recognize several key risks and considerations. Your results are directly tied to the traders you choose to follow, meaning their losses will also affect your portfolio. Financial markets can be unpredictable, and even experienced traders are not immune to sudden downturns or unexpected events. Additionally, the reliability and security of the trading platform you use are crucial for protecting your investments. Always ensure the platform is well regulated and has a strong track record. By staying aware of these factors, you can make more informed decisions and better manage the risks associated with copy trading. In summary, a solid understanding of copy trading fundamentals, combined with an awareness of the associated risks, empowers beginners to navigate the financial markets more confidently. By choosing reputable platforms, carefully selecting traders to follow, and regularly monitoring performance, newcomers can increase their chances of success. It's important to remember that while copy trading offers an accessible entry point, it does not eliminate the potential for losses. Staying informed, diversifying your portfolio, and adjusting strategies as needed are key to making the most of this innovative approach in 2025. With the right preparation and mindset, beginners can leverage copy trading as a practical tool for participating in the evolving world of online investing.